Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our weekly outlook. Alright, so this outlook is going to be short, simple, and precise. Okay, so before I begin the outlook, I'll be very happy if you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, very happy if you subscribe to the channel. Alright, thank you. So as usual, we look at 5 pairs: Euro USD, Gold, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and Euro JPY. Okay, so let's start and let's see what I'll be expecting for Euro USD. All right, so I've already marked out the zones for every pair since I want to make the video very simple, very short. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for Euro USD. Okay, so last week I remember I was expecting Euro USD to either trade into the zone or this zone up here, all right, or trade into this zone right here and then move up before we get our move to the downside. So last week that was what I was expecting for this pair, but it traded into this, gave us about 100 and something pips before dropping down from this particular zone here. All right, so this week what am I going to be expecting? So as you can see on the 4H time frame, Euro USD is actually giving us somewhat kind of bearish structure. Okay, it's kind of giving us some bearish structure where we have markets giving us some lower lows and lower highs. So what will I be expecting this coming week? All right, so I'll be expecting markets to either trade into the zone here and then come down here, okay, or I'll be expecting market to trade down here before we get a move to the upside. So these are just these two scenarios I'll be expecting for Euro USD. Okay, so these are the two scenarios I'll be expecting. Okay, not only these two scenarios, I'll also be expecting Euro USD to trade into this place. Okay, so if that doesn't happen, I'll be expecting Euro USD to trade into this place to give me a sell to the downside. So this is what another scenario I'll be expecting. So I'll be expecting something like that on Euro USD. So I can also expect Euro USD to trade here, then give us a sell to the downside. Okay, so that's what I'll also be expecting, apart from the two scenarios I gave earlier. So I'm expecting Euro USD to completely break structure at the side. So the market opens, I'm going to be expecting it to trade downwards before we get a move to the upside. Then we get ourselves in the market. Okay, so this is what I'll be expecting for Euro USD. Once again, if you want updated versions of all these setups, you can join the free Telegram channel where we give updates of trades, yeah, and then other pairs also we give updates there. All right, so let's go to the next pair, which is gold. Okay, so what are we expecting for gold? As I said, I've already marked out the zones. So we've had a change of character. We had a break of structure to the upside, a break of structure to the downside impulsively, and then we have a chalk, right? So what am I expecting? Now this level can serve as liquidity. Okay, this high here can serve as liquidity. Last week's high can serve as liquidity. So the market can easily decide to break it, so trade into it, break it, and give us a sell. So I'm also so I'll be expecting gold to either trade into this particular zone here, or gold to trade into the zone to give us a sell to the downside, like the same way I'm expecting for the same thing I'm expecting for Euro USD. All right, so I'm expecting gold to trade down here before we get a move to the upside. So these are the three scenarios I have for gold. Okay, so let's go to the next pair, which is GBP USD, GBP USD. Now, what am I expecting for GBP USD right now? Okay, so we had a break of structure to the downside right here. Sorry. So we have a break of structure. We had a break of structure right here. And then what am I expecting? So once again, I'm expecting Euro-USD to trade into either these two zones. So give me something like this, or it to trade into this zone and give me what? Some sell in the market. Also, if it's trade downwards, then I'm expecting it to trade, I'm expecting it to trade into the zone to give us a buy here. Okay, so these are the two scenarios I am expecting for GBP USD. Okay, so what again am I expecting? I'm actually going to be expecting market to go either also trade right here to this zone. Yeah, my lines are not very nice. Let me just draw it again. Sorry. Okay, so to trade into this zone right here. Okay, so apart from these three scenarios, there's a possibility that GBP USD, can trade into this zone and give us a sell. All right, so that's what I'll be expecting for GBP USD. Okay, so before I continue, the reason why I didn't go to the 1 hour daily time frame to scale down. If you've been following us for some time now, you know our buyers on the market. Okay, you know our buyers on the market. So I just wanted to go straight forward, then break it down on the 4H and see what we will be expecting. Okay, yeah. And also, since we are going to be giving updates in our Telegram channel, the link will be placed in the description below. So we are going to give in updates of these trades and other trades in the channel for free. All right, so yeah, this is what I'll be expecting for GBP USD. Now, what will I be expecting for this pair? All right, so I actually don't like the price action much of this pair. Like, I really don't like the price action. So last week, yeah, I was expecting price to trade into the zone, give us some nice buy. Yeah, price traded into it, gave us a buy, and then if I don't know if you were in the market, you saw this impulsive move that came down. In fact, like, there was this crazy impulsive move, and yeah, it was a very good one. I didn't really like that impulsive move. Okay, so what will I be expecting for this coming week? Okay, so for this coming week, I'm either expecting price to continue coming down. So price can either trade into a zone right here, okay, and then give us a move to the upside, downside, sorry. So price can either give us something like this and continue moving down. Okay, so for my bearishness, I think that's what I'll be expecting, either price to trade into that zone or price to just trade here and then give us a move to the downside. So if price is going to be bearish, then that's what I am going to be expecting. Okay, so I'm going to be expecting price to trade into the zone or this one to give us a bearish continuous. Okay, now also if price is going to be bullish, then what am I going to be expecting? So I'm going to be expecting price to break the structures, okay, trade here and then continue moving up. So this is what I'm going to be expecting. I'm going to be expecting price to break the structure right here, to give us a break of structure right here, to trade into a nice demand or another block right there, and then give us a push to the upside, okay, because we have some imbalance here we need to really fill. All right, so this is what I'm going to be expecting for GBP JPY. Okay, now let's go to our last pair, which is Euro JPY. Now with Euro JPY, what will I be expecting? So the right in our free Telegram channel, this particular trade was given right here. Yeah, I gave this trade out, which sold for how many pips? I think this was our target, around 200 something pips. Yeah, it's further sold for about 300 pips, okay, before with that. So I gave these trade outs for free in the free Telegram channel. So yeah, a lot of people took it, some people took it, some even missed it, and they were very, very angry about that. All right, so let's just go into the chart and let me see what I'll be expecting for this coming week. All right, so for this coming week, what am I expecting? So if I'm going to be expecting bearishness, then I'm expecting price to trade either into the zone, okay, or price to trade into the zone for me to get some bearishness. So I'm going to be expecting something like this for price to continue going down. So these are the two scenarios for the bearish nature that I'll be expecting, the bearishness I'll be expecting for this pair for this coming week. All right, so with Euro JPY, that's the two scenarios I'll be expecting if price is supposed to sell. Now, if price is supposed to buy, what will I be expecting? Now, I'll be expecting price to either trade into the zone to give us a buy. Okay, so that's one thing I'll be expecting. Yeah, I think this will be preferable, yeah, to the next one I'm coming to give right now. So I'm expecting price to trade into this zone and then give us a buy, or I'll be expecting price to either just break structure, come down, and then continue buying. Okay, so just to kind of fill up this imbalance before we get some sells. So this is another scenario I'll be expecting for Euro JPY. Okay, so I'll be expecting that also as well. So I'm expecting this price to break structure, then we get a push to the downside, then we get a move to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'll be expecting for this coming week. I wish you all the best in the coming week. If you haven't subscribed, I'll be very happy if you do so. Give me some likes. This actually keeps us give you more content. Thank you for watching.